Welcome to ClearTask. Today, we will show you how to write fractions in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. There are two primary methods to achieve this depending on your formatting needs. For the first method, which creates a standard stacked mathematical fraction, open your document and place your cursor where you want the fraction to appear. Navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. Look towards the far right of the ribbon and click on Equation. Select Insert, New Equation from the menu. A new equation box will appear in your document. With this box active, go to the Equation toolbar and click on Fraction. Choose the first option to create a stacked format. You will see a template with two empty boxes. Click on the top box and type your numerator. Then click on the bottom box and type your denominator. To continue typing regular text, simply press the right arrow key on your keyboard to exit the equation box. If you prefer a quicker inline fraction, you can use the built-in automatic formatting. Type your numerator followed by a / and then your denominator. Press the spacebar immediately after the denominator and Microsoft Word will automatically format it into a neat fraction for common numbers. Both methods will keep your document looking clean and organized. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more direct and professional tutorials.